Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special to show you, a 2025 retro camper that combines vintage charm with modern technology. If you love classic aesthetics but don't want to sacrifice comfort and efficiency, this little beauty is going to blow your mind. So stick around as we take a deep dive into this unique three-wheeled camper. Right off the bat, you can see that this camper is unlike anything else on the road. The exterior is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It features a cream-colored body with beautiful wood paneling along the sides, reminiscent of the classic campers from the 1950s and 60s. The rounded edges, small circular headlights, and scooter-inspired front give it a charming, almost cartoonish appeal, but don't let its cute design fool you, this camper is packed with functionality. At the front, the split windshield offers excellent visibility, and the curved fenders add to its classic style. There's a small roof extension that not only enhances aerodynamics but also provides extra headroom inside. The 2025 emblem on the front reminds us that while this design is retro, the technology inside is anything but outdated. The attention to detail in the craftsmanship is simply stunning, with high-quality materials that give it a premium feel. Moving to the side, the large windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the interior, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The side door has a vintage-style handle and hinges that further emphasize the throwback design. Despite its compact size, the camper is designed to maximize space, making it a perfect choice for solo travelers or couples looking for a cozy road trip experience. Now, let's step inside and check out the interior. The first thing you'll notice is the warm and inviting atmosphere created by the soft LED lighting. The wooden accents continue inside, giving it that classic cabin on wheels feel. The layout is incredibly efficient, with a small but functional kitchenette, a foldable dining table, and a convertible sleeping area. The seats are upholstered in premium fabric that complements the retro aesthetic, while modern conveniences like a touchscreen control panel and USB charging ports ensure you're not missing out on 21st century tech. One of the coolest features is the modular furniture. The seating area quickly transforms into a comfortable bed, making it easy to switch between lounge mode and sleep mode. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated into the walls and floor, so you have plenty of space to store your essentials without cluttering up the living area. The kitchenette is compact but well equipped, featuring an induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and a sink with a foldable faucet. Everything runs on an efficient battery system that supports solar charging, meaning you can stay off-grid for extended periods without worrying about power. There's even a small fold-out counter for additional prep space, making it easy to cook up meals on the go. At the rear of the camper, you'll find a cleverly designed bathroom setup. While space is limited, the designers have managed to fit a compact wet bath with a retractable shower and a composting toilet. It's a game changer for those who prefer a bit more comfort while traveling off the beaten path. But what about the driving experience? Well, this camper is built for both convenience and efficiency. It runs on an all-electric powertrain that delivers a smooth and quiet ride. The lightweight design ensures excellent handling, making it easy to navigate through tight city streets or winding country roads. With a range of around 200 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for weekend getaways or even longer road trips if you plan your charging stops wisely. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The camper is equipped with modern features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a rear-view camera to make parking a breeze. The compact size also means you won't have any trouble finding a parking spot, unlike larger RVs that require dedicated spaces. So who is this retro camper for? If you're someone who loves the charm of vintage vehicles but also wants the reliability of modern technology, this is a perfect match. It's ideal for digital nomads, weekend adventurers, and anyone looking for a stylish and practical alternative to traditional RVs. Plus, its eco-friendly electric drivetrain makes it a great choice for sustainable travel. Now, let's talk about price. While official pricing varies depending on the customization options you choose, this camper is expected to be more affordable than most full-sized RVs. It offers a unique blend of affordability, practicality, and style that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking for a second vehicle for road trips or a full-time living solution, this camper delivers in every aspect. So, what do you think? Is this 2025 retro camper the future of compact travel? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.